Hi all, welcome to Yantipam. In this session, I am going to talk you about that how to use that Google Classroom, G Suite Google Classroom. Okay, how to use that one, especially for teachers, because we have already done one video about the G Suite account setup and features, what is G Suite and all, and I have already uploaded Google Classroom, that is especially for students how to join and all. This is a complete session for teachers how to use G Suite Classroom, what are all the additional features available, and especially because so many teachers are also using mobiles for their online session. So to those teachers I'm dedicating this session. So how to handle our online session very easily by using mobile also in this G Suite login. And in addition to that, the same process can be done in laptop also. There is no difference at all. So to switch between the account, only the difference when you are dealing with mobile. So your Google Classroom might have many accounts. So make sure that you are in the right ID itself, in G Suite mail ID itself. You are having many multiple mail IDs. So which is your G Suite account? You can select that one. Then you can see that under that account, which are all the classes created. You can see that if you want to these are all the classes created under this Gmail ID, G Suite mail ID, and if you want to add additional classes, you can click on plus, and join classes for our students, and here you can, as per the instructions given, you can give your class name, section, and room number, room what is that, if it is info zone or something like that, you can write your give your room name, and in addition to that you can give that classroom also, and create button. I am not creating, I have already created here. So this will be created like this. So which classroom you want to enter just now, you just click on that one. Now it's active. Okay, so likewise the student can also join the class. Here there are three options available: stream, classwork, and people is there. Here you can add people, which is your G Suite mail ID. Through that you can give your mail ID here. Then after that mail ID, then you can add your students to this platform accordingly. Then so first step is to add your students to your classroom. That is your first step as a teacher. Okay, then after that classwork, here different types of classworks are there. So worksheet, we have already uploaded classwork here. So click on plus, then you can see that assignment, question, material, topic, different types of things are there. If you are clicking on some topics related to, if I am typing data structure, something like that, description is optional. If you want to assign some points and all, you can give points, 15, something like that. You can click on that. Description is, and due date also you can give, which is the due date for submission. These are all the things you can fill. And in addition to that, here which is the assignment you are going to assign to the students from your file or link drive. In addition to that, if you want to give any additional instructions like record video, you can record like that, and you can give instructions through that. That also will be automatically attached. Okay, so end this one. Okay, so it will be attached to your Google Classroom. So like recording videos or files or different types of materials which are all available in your system or mobile, you can attach in your classwork like this. So this is the step. See, like this it is attached just now. Okay, so students can view, students can edit, make a copy for each student. Like that way it will be there. If teacher want to delete, that is also possible. So if the students can edit, you can give the option. If you are giving some sort of worksheet, if they want to make some write some answers and all, you can give, students can edit. Otherwise you can just give the permission, view, based on the instruction they can attend. So like that way, if you are pressing this one, that will be sent to your students. That is now I am not sending this one. Likewise you can assign the classwork. Okay, classwork, different assignment is there. Question after each classes you can put the questions, you can send accordingly. So for each work, these are all the options available here. Attach option is there, topic, all those things. As a teacher you can do it. Okay, then stream option here. In mobile, that if it is G Suite also, that link is not available. If it is an laptop, you can see that Google Meet link, and you can click on that Google Meet link. Here instead of link, you can see this icon for to enter Google Meet. You just in laptop it is in the form of a link. If you want to go to Google Meet, you can just click on this button. Then you can click on this one. Then you can add your meeting here. Okay, accordingly you can switch between the Google tools. Okay, so this is the way. If you want to write some instructions in this today's class, after that you can start your class through this Google Meet link. Make sure that your accounts are all okay, and make sure that you added all the students here. All those things you have to be there. Then your classroom is ready for use. Then with the same link itself, by using the same link itself, they can access. Okay, so join me. So likewise you can use Google Classroom. So I think this session is very useful. If you are having any sort of queries related to that, you can ask me. You can also, I forgot to tell you one thing, in the streaming option you can also, likewise here I enclosed different materials, link and all, Google Drive link, some assignments, additional reference details, everything I attached in my classroom. So in addition to that, you can paste your link also. Then while entering, the students, they can click on that to see the link provided by your teacher. Okay, likewise you can also arrange your classroom very interactive. Okay, that's it about Google Classroom. These are all the additional features available under G Suite. Okay, I think this is very useful for you, and you please comment if you are having any sort of queries. Okay, thanks for watching.